Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Bold.org. I'm Haley and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to walk through Bold.org and all the ins and outs that our website has to offer. And if you don't already know what Bold.org is a scholarship platform with hundreds of thousands of dollars of exclusive scholarships for all students living in the United States. So keep watching and we'll show you just how to use it. Okay, so first things first, we are going to head to Bold.org and then we are going to begin by signing up for our profile. So you could either do one of two things, continue as a donor or continue as an applicant. But for the sake of this video, we are going to continue as an applicant. So we're going to click on that. And then on the top right hand side, you're going to click join Bold.org or you can click apply to scholarships. So after you do that, it's time to, tell us more about yourself, as you can see. So just go ahead and click get started and you will be walked through all the steps to get through. So for example, the first question is, have you applied for any scholarships, grants in the past? I'm just gonna say yes. Are you currently in school? I'm gonna say, have you worked 2 years of full-time work experience? Yes. And then what is your most recent degree? Let's say high school. And then look it, I already earned 50 Bold points. Heck yeah, let's keep going. And so basically the rest of these questions are just going to be about you, your schooling, your aspirations, what you're looking for in a college, what kind of majors or career fields you want to go in, and you're just going to answer all these questions and then we'll meet back up with you for what's next. So once you've answered all the questions and have successfully created your Bold.org account, it will bring you to your dashboard, which is this screen right here, and it's going to say, hey, your name and then the amount of Bold points you have. So basically what the Bold points does is, as you can see here, it shows the scholarship panel how bold you are in your pursuit of scholarships. So basically what it does is help your Bold profile look more bold, and also just helps increase your chances of winning scholarships, and also it helps you unlock exclusive scholarships because we do have some scholarships that you need a certain amount of points to apply to, so the more Bold points you collect, the better. So let's take a look at your dashboard. So on the bottom, if you scroll down, it says earn Bold points, increase your chances of winning. So every single thing here is something that you can do to get more Bold points. So for example, if you follow us on Instagram, that's 100 Bold points. If you follow us on TikTok, another 100. Follow us here on YouTube, that's another 100, but make sure you do it through these links. And there's just so many other ways. As you can see, there's countless ways, like nominate a scholarship winner, 1,000 Bold points. That's crazy. Add a bio, add a profile picture, all of these things we can add to get more Bold points. So that is the overview of your dashboard. Okay, so now we're gonna move on over to the resources tab. So basically here, as you can see, they're top resources for your educational journey. So basically, these are just really helpful tools that are gonna help you outside of having scholarships. So basically, like here, Capital One Shopping, they help you find incredible prices across thousands of stores. Honey, coupons, oh my gosh, Honey is amazing, by the way. Like, I get so many coupons and I save so much money. Like, that's not even a joke, like, I'm being so serious. There's so many tools here that you could use, even Quizlet, Credible, as you can see, and Chegg Books. So basically this tab is just a bunch of resources. And as you can see up here, they're categorized into money savers, study tools, loan tools, college tools, and time savers. So you definitely want to take a look at the resources tab because we have a whole lot of things outside of scholarships for you to have. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the tab that you've all been waiting for, the scholarships tab. So we're going to click on that and it's going to load up, and basically what happens is it'll tell you which scholarships are new, and there's so many different ways for you to sort your scholarships. So let's start from by education level. So a lot of questions that we have is, do you have scholarships for graduate students? Yes, we do. As you can see, they're right here. So if you click on that, it'll filter all scholarships by graduate student. So we have a ton of scholarships here. As you can see, here is where it says education level on the scholarship, is where you can see if you're eligible for it or not. So we have education level filtered by any, by high school, undergraduate, and graduate. And then if we clear that, we'll move over to any category. And if you click on the drop down arrow, it'll show a whole ton of categories of scholarships because we have a ton of scholarships here on Bold.org. So if you go through the categories, it's going to be so much easier to find scholarships that are tailored to you. And then any status, so basically what the statuses mean is the status of the scholarship. So if you want to see scholarships that are open, you can go ahead and click that. If you want to see scholarships that are currently in review, you can click that. And a really cool tool that we have is awarded. So we're going to click awarded first. So basically awarded, it is what it says. So these are scholarships that have been awarded to a student. So let's just click this one, Future of STEM Scholarship. It says awarded, so we're going to click on it, click view all. It shows the scholarship information here, and something really cool, if you scroll all the way down, it'll show you winners and finalists. So the winner was Adriana and the finalist was Olivia, and here is the winning application essay. So you could actually read her essay and pretty much it'll give you a sense of what a winning essay looks like, and this could be super, super helpful for you. Also, a really cool function that we have here on the scholarships tab is the no essay only toggle. So if you click on that, every single scholarship under that is no essay. And of course, everybody loves a no essay scholarship, but although we do recommend you applying for as many scholarships as possible, we don't recommend solely relying on no essay scholarships because honestly, these scholarships are highly, highly competitive because, you know, you don't have to write an essay, so it's so much easier. So we'll toggle that off and then we'll move over by relevance. So sort by, it's at relevance right now. You could sort scholarships by newest, oldest, nearest deadline, farthest deadline, highest amount, and lowest amount. And over here is the search bar if you want to search up scholarships that you already know exist. So for example, if you know that we have a TikTok scholarship and you just forgot what it's called and you lost the link and you can't find it, you could just go over to this search scholarships bar and type in TikTok and bam. It's right here. So it's a super, super useful tool. And now we're going to move on from the scholarships tab to the My Applications tab. So as you can see here, it says all applications. As I went and created this dummy account, I applied for a $100 Bold Points No Essay Scholarship, and it says the type, the deadline, and the amount, and the status, which is submitted. So you could actually start a scholarship and save it as a draft. You don't have to finish it right then and there, and it would be under your drafts tab. We auto-save all your applications here. If we click the submitted tab, it's gonna tell you the scholarships that have been submitted. And then in review are scholarship applications in review, finalists, your finalist applications, and then your winner scholarships, the scholarships you've won, and archives. So these are applications that you submit but haven't won. They will show right here. So that is the overview of the My Applications tab. So now to move on to the Invite Friends tab. So what's cool about Bold.org is you can give a scholarship and get a scholarship. So if you take this code right here, you're gonna share it and you're gonna nominate another person for a scholarship. And also you earn points every single time that you do this and someone does create their Bold.org profile. So over here, it's gonna show how many points you've earned from this, how many friends you've invited, how many of those friends you've invited actually signed up, and how many you have nominated. So this is the link right here. If you click the email tab, it'll have you write your friend's name and then their email and to send invites. So those are all the invites. So you could have all your friends join the party right through this tab. Now moving on to the next tab, which is the leaders tab. So if we click on that, it'll bring us to the leaderboard and show you over here. If you click on me, it shows you where you are on the leaderboard, and all of these students are filtered by who has the most bold points, how many applications were submitted, and nominations received. And also if you click overall, it'll just show out of all those applicants who is on the leaderboard. So let's check for bold points. So it looks like overall the most bold points is held by this student right here, and if you scroll down you could literally see like everybody who has the most bold points. So this is just a super cool tool if you just want to like check out like what other students are doing, and you could also filter them by education type here. If you want to climb up the leaderboards, this leader tab is the one that you want to keep track of. And also a really cool feature on Bold.org, and it doesn't matter what tab you're under. So we're gonna keep under Leaders tab. You could also access this under Invite Friends, My Applications, Scholarships, literally anywhere on Bold.org, even your dashboard. All you do is scroll all the way down and it's gonna bring you to this part right here. So as you can see over here, we have some tools for donors. If you're watching this, you're probably a student, so you probably wanna look at applicants. So we have research reports, scholarship rules, scholarship blog, and that's a really cool thing that we have. So let's click on the scholarship blog. And there's just so many different things. There's a guide to loan forgiveness, how to start a scholarship fund, how to write an essay, how to apply for scholarships, how to set up a scholarship in memory of someone. So some really cool tools here. And again, look at, we don't even have to click the back button. We can just scroll down. We have so many different scholarship categories down here. We have scholarships for high school seniors, for women, easy scholarships, scholarships for Black students, nursing students, no essay scholarships, explore more scholarship categories. So let's look at that and look at that. Look at this. 8 exclusive Asian American and Pacific Islander scholarships, 10 exclusive scholarships for single moms. So you get the gist here. Like, it's just a whole ton of different scholarship categories that are just awesome and here for your use. And so let's scroll back down to the bottom. And yeah, there's so many different ones. And also, if you guys want to become an ambassador for Bold.org, you can click on that and you can become an ambassador here by clicking Become an Ambassador and fill out the form. All right, students, thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed today's video, and we hope that you can get the most out of Bold.org now and all of its features. And we just encourage you to keep applying, don't give up, because remember, the statistics say that only 1 in 10 students wins a private scholarship. So in order to increase your chances, apply for more and apply for more specific scholarships. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to comment some video ideas you want to see from us next. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more so you'll never miss any Bold.org exclusive content. Good luck, everyone. Happy scholarship applying.